In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add legal pages to your website using the Hostinger Website Builder. Having legal pages like a privacy policy is crucial for your site's compliance with various regulations and for ensuring trust with your visitors. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, let's start by heading over to Hostinger. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features smoothly. Once you're on the Hostinger dashboard, look for the option labeled Websites and click on it. This will lead you to a screen where all your hosted websites are listed. Find and select the website you want to edit. Next, locate the Edit Website button, which will typically be next to the website you've chosen. Click on this and you'll be directed to the Website Builder interface where you can make various changes to your site. The Website Builder is quite user-friendly, and now we'll go into the specifics of adding those crucial legal pages directly from here. Look towards the left side of your screen and you'll spot the Pages option. Click on it and this is where you'll manage all your website pages. It's a handy section where you can add, remove, or modify any pages on your site. This next step is where we add the actual legal pages. So let's proceed by clicking on the Add Page button. This is your gateway to adding new resources and information within your site structure. Once you're on the Add Page dialog, you should see various types of pages you can add. For legal compliance, we're specifically focusing on the privacy policy. Select the privacy policy option to start the setup of this essential page. Hostinger simplifies this by providing a basic template or framework for your convenience, which can be a great starting point. Upon clicking, you'll often be prompted to fill in certain details. This might include your business name, contact information, and any specific privacy practices you might have. Take the time to complete these details accurately. Getting these right is crucial to ensure your visitors have all the information they need about how their data is handled. Once all the required fields are completed and you've customized your privacy policy as needed, go ahead and click the Add Page button. This will finalize the addition of your new legal page to the website. And just like that, your website now includes a privacy policy, crucial for both legal compliance and building trust with your visitors. That's all for today. By following these simple steps, you ensure your site is better equipped to handle user data responsibly and legally. This small but significant step is key to any successful and trustworthy online presence. Thank you for watching, and leave any questions you might have in the comments below.